ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Uba kermen shela uba dairu menteri ke sorkar jela ke khatlai trik ubanai no pra arajar arpuwei ula kentai war baga sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala ailar banti bat ban khai be an yu doyong hapo kani ke jela Meghalaya haga jingya keren bat ka Batisi TV uba kermen shela ulaong baga sorkar jela kadai ban sengap ye ka jingdawa jong ki pat ba na ka benta ban thong ye ka jing tokit haga baya dei bat ka jing kenno baka don ka jing ti bat ka jing khai to ye udoyong napo kani ka jela Meghalaya uba kermen shela ula penpau ye kani hadin baka ying bishar Meghalaya High Court dangshen kala hukum ye ki Borsenshire District baki dei ban le de ka bating la dalap ye kino ge badan kti ha ka bati be an ye udoyong hapo kani ka jela.
When it comes to illegalities, coal, transportation or whatever, for us we keep I used to mention this that our police department are doing their duty and I believe they'll keep doing the best also, and then since we are serving the law and serving our state, so it has to be as per the law and order, so that we have to take care of it, and then we should not allow anybody to go when it comes to this to break the law and then do illegalities in our state. That should not be entertained by anybody, and then I think all of us should be strict with that. No, when it comes to any inquiry, it depends on the if it is feasible and then if they feel the needs of it. So I think who are we to judge? I mean, especially me, who am I to say that yes or no when it comes to this? But it depends on the public demands. So if really the public demands for that, and then inquiry needs to be done. So I think the government should listen to the public. We are here to serve our public, and then it depends on our public whether they really want that. If they feel the needs of it, then they can have, I don't know what is the process for inquiry, but if they feel that paperwork should be fulfilled, then I think the best is that whoever wants it, come ahead and then approach for that, fulfill the requirement, the criteria or the norms, whatever required, and then the government will look into it and then how to go about it. I think because I've seen that whenever the public demand for the inquiry, the government also listen. So the same thing even for here also, the government should listen. But the government allowing illegal transportation or illegal mining will not arise, because government, why would we allow that? Knowing that if we allow, the government will lose revenue, that is one thing. And second is that we break the law, which is not permissible to anybody to break any law, especially the NGT rules is there. And then when it comes to Mining Act also, I think we have to apply. But at present, the only thing the government can do is that help the people how to go legally when it comes to mining, how to go about it, and then how to guide them. That is one thing which the government needs to do, and we are on the process of doing that, and we are trying to help those who are in need of it. And then when it comes to transportation, if they have a legal paper like challan or anything, so I think they can go ahead for that, where the government will earn revenue, at the same time the public will earn their livelihood. So we supporting illegalities, that is out of question. We will not allow.